Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of 1960s Jamaica, there was a young woman named Lucille Rose. She was a teacher, with bright eyes that sparkled like the Caribbean Sea and a heart full of dreams. Every morning, she would walk down the bustling streets of Kingston, her books nestled under her arm, her smile lighting up the day for her students. But beneath her gentle exterior was a longing for something more, something deep and true. Across town, in a cozy little ice cream shop called Sweet Serenade, worked Levi Cole. His hands were always busy swirling rich, creamy flavors: mango, coconut, pineapple, each scoop a little piece of paradise. Levi was charming, with a warm smile that made everyone feel at home. Every day, he watched Lucille pass by, her presence as natural and beautiful as the island breeze. One golden afternoon, their worlds collided. Lucille stopped by Levi's shop after school, craving a cool treat. Levi greeted her with a shy smile, his eyes shining with warmth. "You look like you need something to sweeten your day," he said softly. She blushed, her heart fluttering like the butterflies in the garden. From that day, their connection grew like the lush Jamaican vines. Levi would surprise Lucille with a scoop of her favorite flavor, mango, just as she finished her lessons. In return, Lucille shared her stories of the children she loved, her voice soft and full of hope. They would sit, side by side, under the shade of a tall mango tree, their laughter blending with a gentle Caribbean breeze. Their love was like the island's sunrise, intense, warm, and impossible to ignore. It was a love rooted in kindness, passion, and a shared dream of a future where they could grow together, like the vibrant flowers in Jamaica's gardens. And in that moment, beneath the golden sun, Lucille and Levi knew they had found something truly special, a love as warm and sweet as the island itself.